Hello guys, in this session I'm going to show you how you can display images in a React application. So first of all, let me create a division over here, okay, in which I want to show all the images. So this division I'll give a class name called as image img gallery. So here I'm going to use the image tag. So img is the tag which will display the image, and src is the parameter which says the image location. So here, and we have the alt text. If in case if we don't find the image, then we'll write an alternative text for that particular image. Okay, so this is going to be the division which shows our particular image, and this image. Okay, right now what I'm going to do is I'm going to set a height and width property for this one. Let's say height is like 150, and width also width width also, let us make it as 150. So we will have to write it in double quotes like this, and right now I don't have any kind of image to display in my app right now. Okay, so what I'm going to do, first of all, this image gallery img gallery is there. I'm going to say, first of all, give us a border. That is a bootstrap class name, and also let's say rounded. Okay, or let's not keep anything as of now. So let me save it, and let's go to the browser and check it out. See, right now we have 150 by 150 image height where I'm supposed to show that particular image. Okay, and here in the alt text, let me say image preview not available. Okay, like this. If at all the image is not available, then this text is going to get displayed for us. Okay, so right now we don't have any kind of image location which is present over here. Okay, now what I'm going to do is I'm going to download a few images from any particular website. See, I can go to this particular website. This is called as a flaticon.com. You can download any kind of image or icon or svg files from this particular website. See, let us say I am looking for a shirt icon or a shirt image. Okay, click like this and it is going to give you lots of icons like this. See, right now we have one a basic one like this and like this. This is much better, I guess. And here we have colors also. Okay, see, what I'm going to do is, see this blue color icon. Okay, first let me click on this download button. Okay, click on this free download button and it is going to start downloading one blue color icon of that particular shirt. Okay, but if you want a different type of colors, just click on that image, and what it will do is, see, here it will give you an option like edit icon option will be there. You click on that and you can choose a different color if you want. See, I will click on this, and here, from here, I will say this is a red color button. Okay, and I'll say download, and from here you can choose which type of image you want. So let me type png itself, and you can decide on what should be the size. Click on OK and it will download that. Okay, and just like this I'll download one more. Okay, some pink type of image of the same image like this. Let's click on download once again and it will start downloading that as well. Okay, so let me come back to that color panel again, and here we have a purple color. Let me click on download png 512 pixels, free download, and it is going to download that particular also. And now let me go back, and let's say blue is, I think, already done. I'll choose a lighter green version. Click on download like this, and I think that is also done. So let me grab few very quickly. Let me say yellow color, download png 512 pixels, click on download. Then let me go back and let's say few other colors. I think this much is enough. So I've downloaded some few icons and images, you can say. And if you want like other images, you can go to this unsplash.com where you can download free images, very good quality images, and from pexels.com also you can download free images, very good high quality images, and you can show it in your React applications. So right now what I'm going to do, I'm going to go to my downloads folder. Okay, so let me go to my downloads folder. So this is my downloads folder, and we have all the images like this. So what, first of all, let me just rename all of them uh, to their appropriate colors. So let me just rename this to yellow, this one to green, purple, this one, let me rename this as pink. So pink, pink, this one as red, and this one as blue. So rename blue. Okay, so we have some particular images right now. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to cut them from my downloads folder. Let me close this one. Let me go to this particular application, this src, in my code, and see in the src itself I'm going to create a new folder called as images. Okay, then right click on this images folder, say reveal in file explorer, and it will show you that folder location like this. Open that images folder and paste all of them here. So blue, green, purple, pink, red, all the images are present in this particular folder. And if you just see like this, you can see those images are present over here like this. Okay, now what we need to do is we need to show this images here in our app.js file, then only it will get shown on our particular website. Okay, or else it will keep showing like this, like image preview not available. So what I'm going to do, first of all, let me go to my code, and here at the top, okay, you have to say what kind of image you are trying to import and where is its location. See, I'm going to download this blue.png and I have to import it here. So I'm going to say import this blue from, okay, first you give single quotes like this, then dot forward slash, it will show you all the folders like this. See, it's showing my images folder. So click on the images folder, forward slash, and then select the blue.png file. So this is the name, okay, which you have to give here, okay, inside curly braces. So then that image will get shown on to you on the screen. So blue. Okay, so now let me save this one. Let's go to the browser, and as you can see we have displayed our image here. So first let me add some css class name so that it comes in the center of the page. So let me come back to the code, and here along with the border I'm going to say text hyphen center. Okay, let's save it, and as you can see here right now we have our image in the center of the page. Okay, so this is how we are going to display images on the screen. So let me just grab this one, let's copy it, and for all the other images I'm going to make something like this. So let me use the control D option and make this as red as well. So we'll be choosing red color also. We are having a blue color. Okay, so we have having green. So let me put this as green also, and here let me get rid of this and say purple. So here also I'll change the name to purple. So PURPLE, purple. Okay, and I think we have pink. So PINK, pink. Okay, so that is also done. I don't think we have pink.png is there. Okay, and here also it got changed to pink. So let me just get rid of this, and let's say blue for the time being. So let me show you the code. So here at the top I have imported all the uh, images, and right now I'm using the blue one over here, okay, in the src folder. So 1 2 3 4 5 6, so 1 2 3 4 5, and one last one I want is that yellow color. So let me copy this and paste it over here, and let's change this to yellow, YELLOW, and here also the image name I have to change it to yellow, YELLOW. Okay, so right now all the images which I want to show, okay, are in this format. So let me just copy this one, okay, and 6 times let me put it here, 1 2 1 2 3 4 5, one more time. Okay, and here I'm going to change this to red, and let me say pink, yellow, then purple, and one green. So let me say green, green like this. Okay, let's save it, and let's go to the browser, and as you can see we have got all the colors images which we wanted to show in this particular window. So first of all what I'm going to do is this text hyphen center I'm going to remove from here. Okay, and I'm going to say like this, okay, if I remove that, save it, see it's coming in the same line. And now what I'm going to say is display hyphen flex, that is the css class name which I want to use in that particular division, and I'm going to say flex hyphen wrap. Okay, if the image is too big, it might go to the next line. So these are the bootstrap class names which I want to add to this particular division, which is having this six images right now, which we are showing it on the screen. So let me go to the browser and let us try to reduce the size. Okay, see, as you can see, as soon as I reduce the size one by one, the image is coming to the next line like this. Okay, so let me just increase the size. So that part is also working perfectly fine. So let me come back to the code, and here let me add some um, let's say margin. Okay, margin on all the sides. Let me keep it as 5 so that we get some space. Okay, like this on the all the other sides. And then let me use padding. Padding is nothing but the inside gap which I want. So let me save it and let me go back to the browser, and as you can see, we have got like this. And each and every image also, see, I'll use a class name that is margin hyphen 5. Okay, so let's save it, and as you can see, we have got a little bit of space for the margin as well. So the same class name I'm going to put for all the images like this. So let me paste it here and here as well. So let me save it. Okay, and now as you can see, we are displaying the images, okay, as we wanted in our React applications.